Okay, in this one, they are going to let us use a calculator, and then they want us to write it as a decimal and round it to the nearest hundredth. So if I get out my calculator, I just do, you do top to bottom, you do 40 divided by 17. When you write equals, it's going to give you this fraction, and I want to round to the nearest hundredth. So one thing to remember is 100 has 2 zeros. So we want to go 2 zeros past the decimal and then put a line. Do you see those? I'm not 2 zeros, 2 places. And so our number is going to have 3 digits. It'll have 2, a decimal, 3, and then we have to decide if the 5 is going to stay a 5 or 6. And we look at the number after the 5, and it's a 2. So the 2 is going to keep that 5 the same because 2 is below 5. If that 2 were 5 or above, we would make that number 6. So it's going to be 2.35 or 2 3500. And let's do another example. I get to use the calculator. Just divide 33. Okay, wait. There we go. Divided by 16. Push equals. Now we're rounding the nearest hundredth. So I look at the 6. It's going to be either 2.06 or 2.07. And this 2 decides it for us. And we're going to keep it as 2.06 because that 2 is below 5. So it's 2 600ths. And let's see if we can get one that gives us a higher number than 2. 4 divided by 21. Okay, so it's just going to be 1900ths because that 0 says, hey, stay the same. Now you do want to put a 0 before the decimal. That's just convention, something we want to do. Round your answer. Oh, I didn't read. It has to be to the nearest 10th. So this 10th is the 1. Is that 1 right there? Because the 9 is bigger than 5, it's going to be 0.02 or 2/10. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.